Dear students, today again I am coming with class 8th geography, the first chapter, resources and development. Resources found on the earth may be classified into two categories, biotic and abiotic. Biotic resources are derived from living things. They consist of plants, animals, microbes and their products. Forests, animal and fishes are biotic resources, while some biotic resources are renewable, some are non-renewable. For example, forest and livestock resources are renewable, but coal and minerals oil are not renewable. All such resources which have been composed of non-living thing are called abiotic resources. For example, land, water, mineral, iron, copper, lead and gold are abiotic resources. As I have described about the resources, what are the resources and how many types of resources. So now come to the second, the first I have tell about the renewable of the on the basis of renewable resources. Now next is the on the basis of origin. It means the जो उत्पत्ति के कारण जो उत्पत्ति के आधार पर जो चीज़ें होती है, तो पृथ्वी में पाए जाने वाली संसाधनों में दो श्रेणियाँ, जैविक और अजैविक। जैविक वो श्रेणी है जिसमें जीवित चीज़ें होती हैं, लिविंग प्लांट्स, जैसे प्लांट्स, एनिमल, माइक्रोब्स एंड जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, फॉरेस्ट, एनिमल, फिशेज आर बायोटिक रिसोर्सेज, यानी कि जो जीवित हैं। और सम अबायोटिक रिसोर्सेज भी होते हैं, जैसे कि आपका हो गया जिसमें आपको कोयला हो गया, खनिज तेल हो गए, ये सब क्या है, ये दोबारा से नहीं बन सकते हैं। तो निर्जीव वस्तुओं से निर्मित समस्त संसाधन अजैविक संसाधन कहलाते हैं, जैसे भूमि, जल, खनिज, लोहा, तांबा, सीसा, सोना, ये सब आपको दोबारा नहीं बना सकते हैं। ठीक है। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट। अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, पोटेंशियल रिसोर्सेज दैट आर प्रेजेंट अराउंड अस but are not fully tapped for proper use can be classified as potential resources. The extent of development of any potential resources in an area, development of human efforts and the stage of economic development. Africa, for example, has a vast potential of water resources, but all have not yet been determined fully. In India, water in this river potential and validity as a transport alternative for generating hydroelectricity for irrigation, etc., need to be studied for its full utilization. So